since I wake up until time passes on. I remind, I'm reconstructing, reforming my mind to fit and to purpose beyond the exposure into the essence of life. My touch lights up, going nearer to the cause. I'm a believer to the cause. I am addicted to the dream again. I choose to dream again. I choose to dream again. It's my right to view that dream. It's my right to view the dream. I choose to stand up for the cause that I believe.